Have you ever felt frustrated spending hours watering your garden, only to see your vegetables barely grow? What if I told you that there is a simple, almost magical trick that can make your plants grow faster, healthier, and even triple your harvest without expensive fertilizers or complicated techniques? Today, I'm going to share exactly how you can transform your garden with a single method that most gardeners completely overlook. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why your vegetables struggle to grow, but you'll also have the exact steps to make them flourish like never before, producing bigger, juicier, and more nutritious crops in a fraction of the time. First, let's understand why most gardens fail to deliver the kind of results you dream of. Even if you're watering consistently, adding compost, and giving your plants plenty of sunlight, there's a hidden factor that drastically affects growth, microbial life in your soil, and the way water interacts with it. Think of your soil as a living organism. Healthy soil is full of microorganisms that digest organic matter, release nutrients, and help plants absorb water efficiently. But many gardens suffer from soil that is depleted, compacted, or overfed with synthetic fertilizers, which actually kills off beneficial microbes and slows plant growth. This is exactly why your tomatoes, carrots, or leafy greens may appear small, pale, or take forever to mature. Here's where the trick comes in. Instead of just watering your plants normally, you need to create a liquid that activates the soil, boosts microbial life, and provides instant nutrients directly to the roots. The ingredients are simple, often found in your kitchen or backyard, and the preparation takes less than 10 minutes. What makes this technique different from ordinary watering is that it feeds the soil and the plant simultaneously, creating a powerful synergy that literally kickstarts growth immediately after the first application. The base of this mixture is a combination of organic matter and natural catalysts. For example, using fermented plant extracts, small amounts of molasses, and a pinch of mineral-rich powders like crushed eggshells or wood ash can do wonders. Each ingredient has a specific role. Fermented extracts bring live microbes into the soil. Molasses acts as an instant energy source for microbes, and mineral powders supply the nutrients your plants need to grow bigger and faster. The magic happens when these elements interact with your existing soil. Microbes multiply rapidly, break down organic matter efficiently, and release nutrients that your plants can absorb immediately. Now, let's talk about timing. Most gardeners water their plants at random times or only when the soil feels dry. The trick here is to apply this mixture during the plant's peak absorption period, which is early in the morning or just before sunset. At these times, the plant's roots are most active, ready to take in nutrients and water efficiently. When you pour this special mixture, it travels directly to the roots, stimulating them to grow deeper, which makes your plants more resilient and increases overall yield. You might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Can I really do it at home without special tools? Absolutely. All you need is a simple watering can, a blender or jar for mixing, and the ingredients. The beauty of this method is that it does not rely on chemical fertilizers, so it's safe, environmentally friendly, and sustainable. You're essentially giving your soil the life it's missing, and in return it gives you stronger, faster-growing plants. Once you apply the mixture, you'll notice changes almost immediately. The soil will appear darker, richer, and more crumbly. Within a few days, tiny leaves will grow faster, stems will thicken, and overall plant vigor will increase. Within a week, you'll start seeing vegetables developing quicker than ever. For example, tomatoes may set fruit sooner, carrots grow longer roots, and leafy greens will produce more vibrant, larger leaves. This is exactly why many gardeners swear by this technique, because the results are visible and measurable. But here's an extra secret that most videos don't mention. The way you water matters as much as what you water with. When using this mixture, avoid simply pouring it over the surface. Instead, focus on targeted root watering. This means gently applying the liquid around the base of each plant, letting it penetrate the soil and reach the roots directly. Think of it as feeding the plant exactly where it needs it, rather than wasting resources on areas it can't absorb. Doing this consistently during the growing season ensures maximum efficiency, and your harvest can truly triple compared to traditional methods. Now, let's address another important point. Not all plants respond the same way. Fast-growing vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and radishes show immediate changes, while slow-growing crops like pumpkins or corn may take slightly longer to respond. The key is consistency and observation. Monitor your garden daily, and you'll notice subtle but important differences in plant behavior. Roots growing deeper, leaves turning darker green, and flowers opening earlier. These indicators mean your soil is alive and responding, which is the foundation for a healthy, abundant harvest. At this point, you might wonder about storage and preparation of the mixture. You don't need to prepare it fresh every day. A small batch can be kept in a cool, dark place for up to a week, as long as it is sealed properly. Shake it gently before each use to reactivate the microbes, and you're ready to water. One important note: avoid using synthetic chemicals alongside this mixture, as they can harm the beneficial microbes and reduce effectiveness. By relying on natural, organic ingredients, you're nurturing both your plants and the soil for long-term productivity. Let's also talk about scale. Whether you have a small balcony garden or a large backyard farm, this method works for any size. For small gardens, you can mix in a jar and water manually. For larger plots, you can scale up using a larger container or irrigation system. The principle remains the same: activate the soil, feed the roots, and provide microbes with energy to do their work. This simplicity is why so many gardeners are switching from chemical fertilizers to natural methods like this. It's cheaper, more effective, and better for the environment. Another tip to boost results: combine this method with mulching and companion planting. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, keeping the activated microbes happy, while companion planting can naturally deter pests and further enhance growth. When you integrate all these strategies, your garden transforms into a thriving ecosystem that supports healthy plants and maximizes productivity. This approach goes beyond just watering. It's a holistic system for producing exceptional harvests, without shortcuts or chemicals. And here's a bonus insight that few people talk about: the energy of the liquid itself. Yes, I know it sounds strange, but in gardening science, freshly fermented or activated mixtures carry more microbial energy and trace nutrients, which can literally wake up dormant organisms in the soil. These microbes, once active, create a chain reaction, breaking down organic matter, increasing nutrient availability, and improving water retention. The result? Plants that grow faster, stronger, and produce more fruit, almost as if they were on steroids, but completely natural and safe. By now, you might be excited to try this yourself. Let me walk you through a step-by-step application plan to maximize results. Prepare the mixture: combine fermented plant extracts, a small spoon of molasses, and mineral powders in water. Stir well until fully mixed. Choose the right time: early morning or late afternoon, when plants are ready to absorb nutrients. Target the roots. Pour the mixture slowly around the base of each plant, avoiding leaves and stems. Observe daily. Check soil moisture, plant vigor, and leaf color. Adjust the amount if necessary. Repeat weekly. Consistency is key for maximum yield. One application kickstarts growth, but weekly feeding ensures sustained results. This approach has been tested by countless gardeners, from hobbyists to professionals, and the feedback is consistent: faster growth, stronger plants, and larger harvests. Some gardeners report that their harvest literally triples compared to previous years, exactly what the title promised. Others notice fewer pests, better soil structure, and healthier roots the best part. It's completely natural, inexpensive, and easy to integrate into your routine. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few common mistakes to avoid using too much molasses or mineral powders. This can overwhelm plants. Start small and observe. Applying on very dry soil, lightly water first, then apply the mixture for better absorption. Mixing chemicals or pesticides. These can kill beneficial microbes and reduce effectiveness. Neglecting observation. Every garden is different. Watch your plants and adjust. Finally, remember that this method is not just about increasing quantity, it's about quality. Vegetables grown with activated, microbe-rich soil are often more flavorful, nutritious, and resilient. You're not just getting more harvest. You're improving the overall health of your garden ecosystem. So, if you want faster growth, stronger plants, and a harvest that seems almost too good to be true, this simple trick is exactly what you need. Prepare the mixture, water your plants strategically, and watch as your garden transforms in ways you've never seen before. The results will surprise you, impress your friends, and most importantly, provide a bountiful harvest for months to come. Now it's your turn. Grab your ingredients, activate your soil, and start growing your vegetables like never before. If you follow this method carefully, apply it consistently, and respect the natural rhythms of your plants, you can expect immediate improvement in growth and harvest size, just like I promised at the beginning of this video. This is the kind of simple, actionable gardening trick that makes a huge difference without complicated equipment, expensive fertilizers, or long hours of work. Remember, it's not magic, it's science, nature, and a little know-how combined into one powerful method. Start today, and your garden will thank you with lush, vibrant, and incredibly productive plants. Happy gardening!